Welcome back to another video today. This is Melanie and I am making Jello, natural Jello from my own jelly vine. Okay guys, today I finally have some time to to harvest my jelly plant. And it is overdue. It needs to be harvested and processed into jelly. So all I'm gonna do is pick these leaves, pluck them all, pluck them naked, like empty. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. That's about 252 grams. So it's about 250 grams. So every 100 grams, I'm going to use 6 cups. So I have about 2.5. So I will be using about 15 cups. So I'm going to do this in 2 different batches, a total of 15 cups of water. And this is 1.5, so 7.5. Go ahead and turn it on. Looks pretty fine. We're going to go and strain it.
persist, we probably ought to take a look at it. In terms of strengthening exercises, if somebody range of motion is been restored at least passively for a certain period. But I think the other thing that's helpful to optimize the result. Most of us involved in the sports medicine team are athletes. Awareness of this in high school and college.
So this is all cool, and I'm going to show you how I enjoy this. You can just use your spoon and just cut into this. It's pretty soft, so it's gonna be hard to take them out without breaking them, but I'm going to try. Oh, there it goes. And in here, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar, maybe half a teaspoon to a teaspoon on the top. Some people would, sorry, in the morning, I'm brewing my coffee right now. Try to do this before my kids waking up, but in the, you can, other people can add more coconut juice or other coconut cream or something else, but I just like it like the way it is. It's so fresh. It's so fresh and light and healthy, and it's just something that I grew up with. I'm used to eating it like this, so I don't think I'm going to eat it any other way. And I am so happy to have this bowl, and I am so happy to have this much, half a year in just 2 months. So by the end of the season, I should have another batch, as much as this or a little bit more, because the plants start to grow bigger. I've got to tell you guys, this is so good. It brings me back to my childhood, and the tasting of this in the US, it's nothing compares. Too bad is that I can only get this like twice a year, and this is my 3rd year growing this vine, and every year I get more and more and more. So I love this vine. It's just so wonderful. Okay, the moment of truth. You might need a little extra sugar, but this is good for me. This is enough sugar for me. I love it. It just melts in my mouth. I love it. Every year I want to eat all of this if I can, if I don't have to share with my children. For them, Probably add a little more sugar. But this is like very light and soft. So good. I hope you enjoyed this natural jello from my own jelly vine. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with someone who might like it. Subscribe if you haven't for weekly Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more. Have a great day and bye-bye.